guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another plant video. We're doing another unboxing today. I'm also going to be doing this in the sort of format that I did my last unboxing. I'm going to be doing a live on Instagram and filming at the same time, so hopefully that isn't too bothersome. I actually really liked the format just because I had questions coming in immediately from you guys, and it was nice. And I can't figure out live on YouTube. So this package is coming from ThePlantNurse on Etsy. I'm super excited. I did not realize that she's actually in Houston. She's in Cypress, Texas, which is a small city, kind of in the metropolitan Houston area. She did end up shipping me the box because she is not open to the public and doesn't do pickup or meetup or anything. But I'm so excited about this plant. You guys have no idea. It's a veiny one. It's really not super easy to come by, and I'm excited. It's one of the few plants that I went over my $50 shipped budget for. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. We're opening it. This is what it looks like on the inside. She left a little note. Hey, she graduated from nursing school recently. I do hate moss. Okay, it's fine. We're good. We're going in. I see it. Okay, do you guys see it? I'm so excited. So this is what this guy looks like. Okay, so this plant is a Hoya SRQ 3138. I know that's a really awkward number thing. This plant is from ThePlantNurse on Etsy, and it reminded me so much of a Clemensiorum that I just had to have it. It also was kind of sun stressed. If you look at it, it's has these really thick looking veins. It looks like just a small version of a Clemensiorum. I also think that it could potentially be a Hoya spa lata Iskandar or something like that, which is, I think, said to be similar to the Hoya Perak teddy bear. You know, sort of, it's in that sort of family. Really veiny. I don't know how to really describe it, but look at that. Holy cow. Oh my gosh. That's insane. It's literally insane. Yeah, I bought it because it was super prehistoric looking. I honestly never know what to say really. But I'm so excited. I don't think that this one is rooted yet because I think her description, of the majority of her descriptions say that it's an unrooted cutting that you're buying. But I don't know. It's in moss, so maybe it has a root or two. I think I'm gonna put this in pond. I think I'm gonna try rooting this in pond just because I'm scared of moss. You guys know I'm so scared of moss. I don't like moss. Moss freaks me out. I know that there are a lot of people who use their propagation tubs, and they fill it with moss to increase humidity and stuff, you know, how people do with reptiles. But I can't grow in moss. I really can't. I can't do it. I couldn't find too much information about the Hoya because, I mean, when you Google it, it comes up with a bunch of different things and mostly Pinterest stuff. And then I started looking through Facebook groups, I think, and somebody said that it was an SP Lata Iskandar. I'm positive that I'm saying that wrong. I'm definitely butchering that. But I think it's a place in Malaysia. It's a popular jungle waterfall with nearby food and craft vendors and small rock pool for wading. It says temporarily closed. I guess it's a waterfall. That's kind of cool. I know that SRQ Hoyas used to be an older, not older, it used to be a really popular seller back in the day. She discovered a lot of plants. That's what the SRQ stands for, I think, somebody's name, but I don't exactly know. Did I say how much I bought it for? I don't think I did. I bought it for, it was originally priced at $69.99, but she was having a sale, so it was $10.50 off. And then with shipping, because she does free shipping for my area, it was $65. So I honestly think it's the free shipping that gets me. I want to be able to buy and support local people a little bit more. So I'm excited. She has like a lot of sales on her Etsy shop too, and like a lot of really good reviews. So I would recommend you go and check her out. She has like really cool plants. So yeah, this is the Hoya SRQ3138. I hate Hoya numbers like so much. I do not know how people can actually like memorize those. I think every numbered Hoya that I have is gonna need a label because I can't remember them. But I do really like this guy. I do think that it might be that other name that I said, the Lata Iskandar, and I think it's so pretty. It's a crazy color, and I'm so excited. I'm so excited. It reminded me too much of a Clemensiorum that I was like, you know what, it's like, I think it's a pretty good deal, so let me just buy it. I really like the plant. Like I said, she has lots of sales, lots of good reviews, free shipping. I messaged her and asked her about local pickup, and she said that hopefully she can do it in the future, but she's not currently doing it right now. She seems like a super sweet person and a super sweet seller, so I'm going to be very excited to buy from her again. She has really cool Hoya. I don't feel like her Hoya are offered too often. I know she currently has like a Meredithii on her site right now. Her prices aren't crazy. I dig it. I dig the shop. I'm gonna order again, and like I said, she is in Houston, so hopefully I could like meet her in person sometime. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, go ahead and hit the like button down below, and if you like me or you like plant videos, go ahead and subscribe if you want to. But that's gonna be it for today's video, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye!